This is my favorite Weir design, by the way. Like I said, I've got the ring cut off of one of those caps that slides up and down so I can adjust the running height of this Weir. In my case, up to the point where the Weir's in control again. All I did was drill the ring of holes around it with a drill bit. I don't know what size it was, 1/4 inch maybe, who knows. Then drilled another ring of holes around the top and then connected the dots, the holes, with a jigsaw. It worked great. Took me 10 minutes to make this Weir. And that's my favorite design. My favorite slot design. And I do like the adjustability. The adjustability let me go from that running height, which is fine. Sometimes I want to see the water line, especially when this thing's running in the house, because it's going to have agitation, lots of it too on the surface, and it'll make waves look cool. Sometimes I want to run it higher. When I do, I just reach in, slide the ring up. Well, it's been 20 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes, and that's where she settled out, running without a Weir. So I have to run the height of the adjustable Weir about up to that 600 line. Anything from there up is fine. It'll be in full control of the running height. Later.